I'm going to show you how you can share a ChatGPT chat and make it public in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you need to create a new chat if you want to, or just go to the chat you want to share. And once you are there, all you need to do is go to this share option right here, click it, and you will see the option to generate a link. So if you click there, a link should appear, and you can copy it by clicking here and just send it to whoever you want. You can also make this chat public if you want to, so it can be shown in web searches. So after you have shared the link with whoever you want to share it to, they will see all the messages in that chat. But it's important to know that if you type a new message, they won't see it. So they will only see the messages that you have typed before you have shared that link. As you can see, this is a copy of the conversation between ChatGPT and myself, which it's anonymous. And now I'm typing new messages, but this doesn't update. Okay, so if you want to manage your shared conversations, you can go to the settings, then go to data controls, shared links, manage, and you will see a list of all the different conversations that you have shared. This is the one that we just shared right now, and we can delete it, go to the chat, or we can copy the link from here as well. So in my case, I don't want to share it, so I'm just gonna delete it. And that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.